In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So basically, you can apply this strategy with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. So I am going to show you how to promote your CPA content locker with this website. Most affiliates don't use this website, and the website is tumblr.com. If you see this website right here, you can see the total visit is almost 300 million per month. And also looking at the majority of the traffic sources, you can see it from the first world countries. And we all know, once you come to your CPA Grip account, the majority of countries that pay the highest payouts are the first world countries. All right, so now you can see this account right here. You can see this post got over 140 notes, and notes is like likes and shares on other platform. So if I click on this link here, as you can see here, I posted an image to this iPhone product, and once they click on I got it here, you can see it's going to take them to this content locker, whereas once they complete this offer, it's going to direct them to an Etsy store. And basically, once they come to Etsy, they will be able to purchase the actual product. I hope it makes sense. All right, so the first thing you want to do basically is you want to come to Etsy and you want to choose a product of your choice. And note, you don't have to use Etsy alone. You can go with Amazon. Okay, you can go with Amazon.com. You can also go with Walmart as well. So you can use Walmart as well for this method. Each of these platform is going to work. All right, so basically you can experiment with either of these three top options and see which one works best for you. So basically, what you want to do when you come to any of these three platforms is you want to choose a niche. Okay, so if you come to Amazon, all right, so once you come to Amazon, the first thing you want to do is you want to type in any product of your choice. Okay, so let's say you want to go with wristwatch for men. All right, so you can see right here there are a lot of wrist watches on Amazon. You can see here this one has over 10,000 reviews on it, and it's just $42. All right, so you can see there are a lot of wristwatches here. This one also has a lot of reviews right here. So basically, what you want to do, the first thing that I recommend that you do is you want to search by this one that have the highest top ratings. Okay, which means they are the ones that people purchase the most and they have the best reviews. And also you can see one here has this bestseller tag on it. This one has this Amazon choice on it. So don't limit yourself to these ones, to this product alone. You can also go for a decent one as long as it has a huge amount of reviews on it. Okay, so if we take this watch for example, so basically if you click on any of these images, you can see right here there are a lot of images. Okay, so if you click on this part right here, you will be able to view the image, as you can see here. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to post these images on Tumblr. All right, so if you don't have an account with Tumblr already, you want to come to tumblr.com. okay, so once you come to tumblr.com, if you don't have an account, you will be able to see a sign up button around the screen. It's available worldwide. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can just type in your email and verify your account. All right, so once you're done that, the next thing you want to do is to create a post. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of ways to create content. You can make a post in form of text. You can make one in form of photo, quotes, link. All right, so it's up to you. So now let's say we want to go with photo. So we'll click on this photo. So once we click on that, you can either grab the image of the photo or you can grab a post. Okay, so let's click on the photo. So once we've done that, you want to go back to Amazon and you want to download this image. So just like I've done here, basically what you want to do is you want to grab the image of the Amazon product or Etsy product or Walmart product. So once you've grabbed the product, then you want to write something, a short description like this. You don't have to use this one word for word, you can get creative. So once you add a short description to it, you can add a few tags. All right, so once you've done that, then you want to hyperlink the post. So if I click on edit, so if I try to edit this post, you can see here, this is the link right here. So once you hyperlink that, you will be able to add a link to your content locker, just like this one right here. So once you copy the link, you paste it in there, and then you save the page. All right, so basically that is how you do that for as many products as you can find on Amazon. Okay, so you want to create as many posts, yeah, you want to redirect them to your content locker to get the product. Okay, so there are a lot of products here, so you can create a Tumblr account that is going to post as many wrist watches as possible here. So this is how you drive traffic to your CPA content lockers for free. All right, and you can use products from Etsy as well. So basically that is how you can start driving targeted traffic to your content lockers for absolutely free. So that brings us to the end of this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.